sobrang hato yung pagsayaw mo sa bahay.
Maraming salamat. Hindi niyo po nakita ang aking pagsayaw. Good evening.
Good evening! Isang maningning na gabi ng parangal para sa mga pinakamagagaling sa larangan ng telebisyon.
Isang gabi ng parangal sa mga natatanging aktor at broadcasters ng telebisyon.
9 channels, 53 star trophies, and TV's most outstanding performers and programs.
Kaibigan, mukhang hindi ko kaya.
May we request the PMPC members and Board of Directors to please proceed backstage. Thank you very much.
Elevating the level of viewing locally and globally. Ito po ang power of television, ang power ng PMPC, ang power ng 21st Star Awards for Television. Salamat po. Narito po ang aking PMPC officers and members, ang Philippine Movie Press Club. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Please welcome our next presenters, Iza Calzado, Rafael Martinez, and Jordan Aguilar.
10 outstanding young actresses, 10 portrayals of memorable telenovela or teleserye characters.
Here are the nominees for the Best Drama Actress.
And the star for Best Drama Actress goes to...